Poulet Ro, roast chicken. A culinary elegance. Whole chicken. The choice of chicken impacts the overall taste, ensuring a juicy and tender outcome. Herbs, thyme, rosemary. These herbs not only infuse the chicken with a delightful butter serves as the golden elixir, coating the chicken in a rich, flavorful sheen. Salt and pepper for taste. Start by ensuring the chicken is at room temperature. Sprinkle a generous amount of salt and pepper, ensuring an even coating. Infuse with aromatic herbs. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, to a golden brown exterior and a juicy interior. Place the prepared chicken on a roasting rack in a baking pan. The cooking time may vary based on the chicken's size, typically from 1 to 1.5 hours. Allow the roast chicken to rest for about 15 minutes after removing it from the oven. Pair this poulet roti with seasonal roasted vegetables, a simple salad, or a classic gravy. A timeless roast chicken recipe that invites you to savor the essence of classic French cuisine. Enjoy your recipe. See our bio for more.